Yan na mga boss, tapos na tayong kumain. Kaya hintayin ko na lang yung mga bata rito. Kasi mag-alas 9 pa lang, 10 o'clock sila pumunta rito. Kaya ang gawin ko, itulog ko muna. Kaya yan mga boss, bali yung hinihintay natin. Nandito na sila. Kaya ipakita ko kasi gusto daw mag-video rin si Don Raya. Kaya nandito na sila. Okay, say hi, Don Raya. Look here, ah. Hi, say. Hi. Yan na mga boss, ito na si Don Raya. Siyempre, si Diana, say hi Diana. Yan din si Mrs. Yan na, bali magluluto kami mamaya ng noodles lang ng mga bata. Pauwi na sana tayo kanina, kaso yun nga, sabi ni Mrs. na gustong sumama yung mga bata rito kasi nagtatampo sila. Kaya hinintay natin, imbis na nakalis na tayo. Siyempre alang-alang sa kanila, kaya hinintay natin. Yan yung pinagkikaan natin. Ang gulo-gulo. Sa bagay mamaya, ikuha na namin yan, bali i-dismantle ko na yan mamaya. Pero magluluto pa tayo, takakain pa yung mga bata rito bago tayo alis.
Woke up with the sunlight dancing on my bed, stretching out the morning, no plans in my head, whistling a tune as I walk down the street, taking my time, just enjoying the beat, slow and steady, no need to run, soaking up life in the golden sun, one step at a time, just letting it be, easy and free, that's good enough for me. Swinging on the porch, sipping sweet iced tea, watching the clouds paint a story for me. No destination, just follow the breeze, finding my joy in the rustling trees. Slow and steady, no need to run, soaking up life in the golden sun, one step at a time, just letting it be, easy and free, that's good enough for me. Yeah, easy and free, that's good enough for me.
Dahil guhum.
Ne.
Pinanood daw niya yung video niya. Dahil guhum na.
Ay, binoya na dyan Isabela.
Oh, minsan. Oh, binuya na di ba? Lalagan daw. Dahil,
Why you said you'll go home na?
Mommy, I have your daddy. One more.
hindi ko nga mainit.
Mommy, how about more?
Diyan ano?
Mainit ka pa rin niya hanggang dito.
Water?
Oh, donut go nira. Ay, donut the table.
Kasi
It's moving.
matapong. Dito ay
Let's
yung
cook.
Facebook.
Enough.
Pancit cancer.
It's cooking water.
Cooking water pala.
I'm cooking water.
I'm cooking water.
may tipong.
Card track.
Wala namang card dun.
Mommy want to.
Ay, ayaw niya yan.
And that one. Mommy want to wear that.
Oh, do not touch the table.
Sit down lang. Kasi, don't touch the table daw. Kasi matumba, lumuluto ni daddy. Dito lang
Do not,
mawala.
do not play that one. Mawala yan, Althea.
Nawala ah. Dito lang.
Oh, see. Mommy lang this one.
Wow.
Dito lang. Ano mo yan? Ayun, ayun. Yung table. Sit
I'm
down lang.
getting. Stop.
Like this one? No, no.
Bau. Mommy, what is this? Look. Look, there's a monster.
Oh, wow. Good na.
Oh, share with daddy. Ayo, kasi din.
There's monster here later.
Oh, later daw.
They're gonna move. If I go out and if I jump, they're gonna follow me. Hey, look. No. Let's get some food.
Tapos natin ya. Panasak lang natin.
We're gonna shoot.
Kapag nag-venue rin, yung ba? Kapag nag-poro din. May isa ka.
Sino na?
Baba.
How about let's get another?
Wait, ano kung ako dito. Yan na lang, ito. Ah, share. Tayo, share. Walang dito, yeah. Alam mo,
Na sa memerendahin na ito ni Waya Boy at saka si Kan. Si Diana girl.
I know
Ayaw at first. Napaskulbo ko na dito.
You wait, you don't know this one.
Yung at paa, kasi di mo pa alam. Yung ganda din ng kulit mata nito. Hindi mo naman alam daw. Kasi paano mo sa kanya? Kung di mo. Ay, wait. Ate, ano,
Toilet.
game over and then you also. Sige nga kung alam mo. Sige nga kung alam mo.
I want to go there. You know pala this one.
Alam mo.
Oh no, I can't. That's not the elevator. Okay, my turn.
Ate turn and then you again.
Again?
Again and again.
I don't fix this. Toilet. Toilet. Toilet.
Mukha ako. Dito pinagulos mo?
Oh.
Hindi na alamin niya.
And next, six and dice. I didn't pan pa. Dito there is nagmumove.
Oh, come na. Oh,
Dito na yun.
I want.
you like?
Yes.
Who's mine this first? Who's mine
Dalawa
is
na
this?
sila dyan.
You too?
Yes.
Oh,
Kasi there's no plate na.
then this one pa oh. Mhm.
Si Adin.
Maya. Ako nga. Look. Where's the dice? Ayan. Patay na. Yo. Aray, potek yan na girl. Potek. Potek is dirt. That's not a bad thing. Me. Outside. Haba. Now we have to
Wait your turn.
Now we have to
Just wait your turn. Apurado eh dito.
They're dying me! They're dying me! Bro, they're dying me! They're dying me! Shoot them! Bro! Ah! I have to fly. Fly in the sky. Keep it silent. No! I have to go. I have to go in that. No. Ah! Brother. No.
Game over. Nakikialam kasi si Ra. Paano daw yan oh? Paano daw yan oh? Yung ano na daw napindo na. Yung kasi.
Good, hopefully.
This one what ya? I installing.
Me.
Ano susubukan ko muna sa.
Me.
Wait your turn.
It's not caring.
Wait your turn kasi Lagi
She's
kasi.
not sharing. Oh, cut.
Wait your turn.
Naabak
This is
na.
not game over.
Game over ka, not sharing.
Hindi niya kasi alam kaya kaya nag-game over agad. Wait kasi is not game over pa.
I'm not game over.
Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn.
Ala!
Oh, yun ito.
Ay, di kita iiwan.
Wait your turn.
Because I have to go to that roof. No, I don't like to fall. No, don't fall yet. You, I'm in the roof. They won't see me.
Yun na yun. Sige nga, game over ka din.
Hindi pa ako nag-game over.
Kaya,
Ay! Game over ako. Game over!
pindo naman niya yung gitna namin.
Game over!
Ang
Game over!